Okay, so this is one of those problems that on the face looks very, very difficult because there's no given. So you're given that this is equal to that, right? How do you solve a problem like this? Well, it's all about making the arrows, okay? And figuring out where do the forces converge here, right? So there's one arrow going down. That's the W. And then there's another arrow here, and that's also W. But this is a frictionless pulley, so the other side is also W. So it's just all W's. And worse is you don't know what the angle is. The angle is that one up there. It's also here. So it's based on the horizontal. So we'll make a horizontal dashed line so that it doesn't interfere with our thinking process, right? Because this is just an imaginary line. And then going down, you have W. W. Then this way, it's another W. W. Another W. Okay, so look here. This is theta. This one is theta, right? Okay, so what is required? We're just looking for theta. We're not even looking for W. Okay? And so what is our basis? And here's the solution. Well, obviously we have to look for vertical. So summation of forces along the y is equal to 0. Okay? Summation of forces along the x, all it's going to tell you is that this w is equal to that w, but that's already given. So you don't even have to solve for that. Okay? So summation of forces along the y is equal to 0. And what is it? W is equal to, how do we get this vertical component here? Wy, right? Is equal to W sine of theta. We're not given theta either. Okay, so the forces are, this one here is Wy, oh no. We don't need that, we need just these. So this is going to be Wy and Wy. There are two of them. Okay, so what do we have? Wy plus y is equal to what's going down is W. Okay, so we have here W sine theta is plus W sine theta is equal to W, right? And then we have 2W sine of theta is equal to W. Then that means sine of theta is equal to W over 2W. Cancel, cancel. This is equal to 1/2. So theta is equal to tangent inverse of 1/2. Okay? If you didn't understand that, the reciprocal of this, to get theta, you have to put in the tangent inverse, the sine inverse here. So if you're doing that there, you have to do it here too. This becomes sine inverse of 1/2. Okay? And theta, and everybody knows sine, the 1/2 is 30 degrees, right? Sine of 30 degrees is equal to 1/2. Okay, so that's the answer. You can do it in your calculator to just to prove it to yourself. You get the sine inverse of 1/2 and it'll give you 30 degrees. Okay? Okay.